I'm Sean with Chasing Mustangs LLC.
And I'm Dane with the Shop DIY Garage.
So we just finished another project, another Mustang. We've been pretty busy, and this is our 65 convertible, and it's just an inline six model, very basic car, but it had to be completely redone on the engine bay and all that. So Dave's going to open it up here. So the engine block was completely rebuilt, and then we went and put a complete Holley EFI system on this, and it was harder than you would expect because Holley said they wanted, what was it, something like, they're not going to come back 6-8 months maybe to get the actual Autolite version of this. So we went with the 2GC throttle body, which is, what is it, 2-port?
Yeah.
2-port.
Single port, 2 injector.
A single port, 2 injector. And then we had to go with the complete Hyper Spark system because we just couldn't get any of the aftermarket stuff to work, right? It was
stuff just wasn't cooperating well with each other, so just eliminate the different problems and just have the components that read together, that we know is going to read together correctly, and just might as well, instead of the headache of trying to get 3 different things to work right, just go ahead and get the correct stuff that all works together and we know it's going to work together, and it minimizes the problems that we were having.
And they were non-stop, right? It did.
Yeah.
And honestly, by going, like you said, with one company and everything works together, we're bypassed all the, pretty much worrying about any electrical gremlins have been bypassed at this point. And this car has been restored. This is actually this 3rd time to have any major work done on it. So when you start talking a 60-year-old car, you don't know what anybody's done on this. And so
how many hands have
touched the system. So it's completely as new as we can get it. As far as, I mean, even the engine rebuild. So I think the power steering pump might be the only thing that could possibly be original in the car.
That in the rack.
Yeah, that in the rack. So lots of hours again on this, but it's working. It's running great. And it'll be, I got to get through the inspections and all that to get it out for rental, but it's coming soon. Again, check out Dane's Garage if you need space. He can also help you with these projects like he's helped me out. And it's really important to have somebody with the expertise to help you sort of get through and bounce ideas off and get through these problems. And he's got a pretty big shop here, all the tools you need. So you could do a weekend project like this yourself and get your car back on the road.
Pretty much just bring your car, bring your parts and yourself, and I supply all the tools and equipment, and you just rent out the bay by the hour. Get whatever you want done, any project, any maintenance, whatever. Yeah, just remember, I'd like satisfaction of working on your own vehicle.
Yeah. And so again, many thanks to Dane here, and we're gonna get this car out on the road. Thanks.